everyone, and we're back with one of the new summer, well, I don't know summer, but one of the new sets, which is the Chima set, and this is Razcal. Oh, I don't know, it's like, yeah, it's Razcal's bird thing, yeah, but it was cheap, and when I went to the Lego store, I thought, oh, I'll buy it, and I'll review it. So, let's get into the figures first. Yeah, so this is Razcal. Yeah, nice, like headpiece. Rigid bit there. Got a beak, yeah, gold around it. And then like a bird, an evil birdie face. Yeah. Oh, great. Just a second, guys. Get out. Yeah. So this is his body. Like, it's all covered in chains, and then there's the chai in the center. If you can see it, he's all covered in chains and stuff. Yeah, he's quite cool figure. Then back printing. Yeah, I'll just fit him back together. See, that is Razcal. I may get some of the other tri-sets, depends, but I will be reviewing Escape from the Muckled Spiders. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock at night. Yeah, but brothers and next one, we're watching TV. Okay, so this is, yeah, Razcal. This is his bird. It's really big. For like this size of set is really, really big. It's big as my hand. Like. Yeah. I'll just, yeah, for the bird. Yeah, to make Razcal's weapon. Yeah, you take. Well, this is how it shows you in the manual. You take this bit and the other one of it. Yeah, you take them, and you take this bit, which you've pre-made. Yeah, and yeah. Yeah, you get it like that, like a teaser. Yeah, these tri-sets, they do look a bit cool. Yeah, but they're reasonable for this set. Is pretty big, but okay, let's just fix that. Okay, sorry guys, but this is really sturdy. Yeah, but here, this bit here is the chai, which you get in every chai set. Yeah, this is a really neat design for the feet. Yeah, but of course, Sorry, that's my cat. Yeah, so it isn't complete without flick missiles. I'm not sure how they work, to be honest. Oh, I know. Oh no, I don't. So, guys in the comments, tell me how that works. But, yep. Yeah, but this is it. This is the bird when it's not flying. But yeah, there's some stickers there. Yeah, so there. Look, sleep in my hand. Yeah, but gosh.